Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad, bitch.
What is up, guys? TK here with TK's Garage, and we are in the Copart Chevy Equinox 2018, and we're going to talk a little bit about how much I paid for the vehicle, what I've had to do to it so far, because you see I'm not gagging, it doesn't smell like ass in here anymore, and what the plans are for this vehicle. So let's get directly into it. So my cost on this vehicle, bidding, I only had one other person that was bidding back and forth with me. The winning bid on this vehicle was $3,950. Not bad. All right, so under $4,000. After fees and a few other things, and I think I paid a day of storage, I'm at like $4,300 and some change. Not much, okay? And big shout out to my people out there at the Dunn Copart in North Carolina for, you know, working with me and, you know, not really taxing me for getting there almost at a 2-day worth of storage. So I really appreciate it. And big shout out to everybody that works on the yard, the people on the forklifts, you know, the people that were helping me get to Yukon and everything else. I really appreciate all of your help and you guys working with me, getting back and forth to get those cars out of there. So big shout out to them. Now, let's talk about the vehicle. She's got 40,766 miles on it. Now, if you saw the original video, I think I was just at 40,000 miles. So that means I've detailed this and I've put 700 something miles on this vehicle. Now, I just drove this. I'm in DC, in Washington, DC. I just drove this from the, you know, northern or eastern North Carolina area to DC. I had to come up here for some work stuff. And yeah, man, ran like a champ, fine. I did take it to a detail. I did take it to a local detailer in Raleigh, and they ozoned it. They shampooed the carpets. I actually bought a carpet replacement because it didn't have it. It's like a long piece of carpet. We're gonna go over detail, and I'm gonna show you guys the interior of this vehicle in an upcoming video. Let's go ahead and show you guys the mileage and stuff. You can see I no longer have any check lights. You know, I got the seatbelt light on. The airbag light is now off. As you can see, I got that reset. Airbags and stuff were fine. They weren't never deployed or anything like that. You can see everything else in the vehicle looks really good, right? The seats look really good, right? Doesn't look bad at all. There's that carpet I was telling you about that I had to purchase and put in. But overall, the interior is not beat up. Overall, the car is in really, really good shape. Now I can go down through here and you can see what my average fuel economy has been in here, all right? So today I just got gas. I'm getting 31 miles per gallon. And basically, since I've had the vehicle, I've put 1,100 miles on it, and I'm averaging about 29.5 miles per gallon. With my lead foot, it's not that bad. It's really not that bad, I gotta be honest. I'm kind of excited about this. Anyways, it works really well. It does have a 4G LTE connection. I do need to get that set up, and I am gonna work on it. It does have OnStar. You guys know I'm not a fan of that. So I'm probably gonna rip that out at some point if I keep it. If it's a car I'm gonna sell, and it's really gonna depend on today too, because while I'm up here, I had somebody that wanted to look at it. I might sell it. So overall, everything so far that I had to put into it, we'll talk about the detail, which is 240 bucks. The cost and everything I have in the car. I am into this vehicle, this little SUV, for a little under 4,600 bucks. And more than likely, I had to flip the camera for y'all, and more than likely I'll be able to sell this vehicle for somewhere between 10 to 12 grand. That's a pretty good profit and a pretty quick flip. Now, you don't find these every day. I have not fixed the damage on that door, those scrapes and the dings or whatever, and the scrape against the pillar. I didn't do anything with that yet. I'm gonna see what I can get for it as is. If I want to do the body work for it, maybe I can take it to car. It's clean title. I could probably take it to CarMax and get more money for it. We will see. So stay tuned. If you have any questions, comments, want to know how I do this, make sure to click the thumbs up button, comment below, and subscribe. This is just an update video. It's not a lot about the car. I told you guys I would post updates and keep you guys updated with what was going on with the Equinox, and I have a couple other cars to debut for you guys here on the channel, so stay tuned. And another big purchase. I'm on the auction today on my phone. I hope I get it. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't, today's video is actually brought to you by and sponsored by beefedupbrakes.com. So big salute and big shout out to my people at beefedupbrakes.com. And it's also brought to you by Postmates. That's right. If you want to get an extra $150 when you sign up for Postmates, hit that link in the description down below, collect your $150, and then you can run around and, you know, not have to deal with people like Uber and Lyft, because that's kind of Anyways, big salute to everybody that's back and giving me all the encouragement and support in the chat. I am back. I'm excited to be here. And let's flip some damn cars, shall we? Peace.
On the brand, ran up a check on the brand.